Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert documents and files in Google Drive. So Google Drive allow you to easily convert documents and files into different formats, such as converting Word documents to Google Docs or saving files as PDFs. And to this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to converting files. So here I'm going to show you an example on how you can convert a Word document to Google Docs. So you can just upload the Word document to Google Drive first, and then in here, open the file, this one, as Google Docs. So when you double click on it, it will be open, but the file is still on the Word format. And once the documents open, it is automatically converted into Google Docs format. But then if you want to save it in this format, you can just click on File. And here there will be this option Save as Google Docs. So just tap on it and it will be open in a new tab. So this one is doc.x, but this one is but still not saved. But this one is already saved in Google Docs format. It is also the same with Google Sheets. You can change the format from Excel into Google Sheets by doing the same step. Just go to the file and choose Save as Google Sheets. Now, if you want to save, let's say this docs file as PDF, what you need to do is just click on File and go to download, and here choose the format. For example, just I'm going to convert it into PDF, so just click on this PDF document. So that's how you can easily convert files in Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.